Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your friend Insect. So today, let's say we're gonna learn the lesson 6.3, sharing your projects. In other words, it's to learn how to build your project into an application. Let's say firstly, we need to install export modules. Before we can export our projects, we need to add the export modules that will allow us to export for particular platforms. Open the Unity Hub and negative to the install tabs on the Unity version you have been using in the course. Select 8 modules. Select WebGL build support and either MSA, Windows, and so on. Then we go ahead. So here we go. We got our install tabs, and from there we get this version that I'm using. We need to click the 8 module. Then let's say here we already have the Linux support, build support. Do we need the WebGL support? Yeah, probably. Let's hit it. Well, I don't think so. I don't need those things. All I need is a Linux version, but you can feel free to choose any of other versions that you need. For example, you choose Android build support, but for me, I don't need that. Then build your game for MSA or Windows or Linux. Now we have the export modules installed. We can put them to use and export one of our projects. Open the projects you would like to build. It can be anything. Then head the field build settings and add open scenes to add your scene, and click player settings and adjust any settings you want, some kind of things like that, and hit the build button. Then play your game to test it out. Rebuild it with different settings. Okay, let's do it. So first we need to, oh my god, what's happening here? Let's cancel it. Here we go. We got a few different things. Let's go ahead with I don't know, maybe Word file would be good enough. Okay, basically this is the game. Now what I'm going to do is go to the build settings. Here we got a lot of options, but the first thing I'm gonna do is add open scenes. For now it's open this sense. Okay, that's cool enough. And let's say the target platform for us for now is Linux. Then the compression level, we should leave it there. Now let's hit the build button. It needs us to choose a LAN. Let's just say demo. Then hit the save button. Now it's on building. Yeah, after that building, we shall get a file. But it looks like a little bit weird because it only got 14 KB. Oh well, there's probably another folder in here. And if we put them together and say the properties of it, we would say it's at least got 53 megabytes. Let's move it out and put it into a fresh new folder right in here. Now if I, let's say, open it from terminal, I don't know if I could do that. Let's just try it out. Okay, if we do it like this, well, we couldn't open this file or folder. Okay, then we move it back and let's say I just wanna here we go. We run it from where we exported it, and for now it's let's say it's working. And we successfully opened this game on our Linux, so that's good. That's good. So the problem for it is that we should be careful when we export our games, because it will also export some SO files. This file. Okay, for this time, let's try it again. Here I just moved the Unity player.so file to the target folder that we want, which is the current folder. And if we run it again, we will say, oh, it's still working. So that's where the problem comes from. We should at least move 3 of the files into one folder to be able to run this game. Then build your game for WebGL. Since it's pretty hard to distribute your games on MSA or Windows, it's a good idea to make your projects available online by building for WebGL. So it's kind of the same thing we did, but in the end you will get a file which named index.html, and after you get that, you could just deliver it to anyone you like, and then they will be able to open your game by clicking this file. So that's today's tutorial or lesson. In this kind of lesson, we have learned how to export or Unity game. It's not that hard, and to me, to be honest, I know this kind of thing a long time ago, maybe a few years ago. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.